Welcome to Geometric Galaxy.
Good morning students. Today we are going to learn exercise 1.3 from number system. Question 1. Write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. Here we have 6 subdivisions. We can see one by one. First subdivision is 36 by 100. So you do the normal division. Divide 36 by 100. So 36 is smaller than 100. So what you will do? How to put a point and add one 0. So 36 becomes 360. 100 threes are 300. Remainder is 60. Add one more 0. So it will become 600. 106 are 600. So the remainder is 0. So 36 by 100 is equal to 0.36. Now can you guess what kind of decimal expansion is this? Yes, you are right. This is terminating decimals. This is subdivision 2, 1 by 11. So divide 1 by 11. 1 is smaller than 11. So in the quotient we have to put a point and then add 0 with 1. It becomes 10. 10 is also smaller than 11. So what we have to do? So we have to add one more 0 with 10. So in the quotient we will put a 0 and add 0 with 10, so it becomes 100. Now 11 nines are 99. So 100 minus 99 is 1. Again we have to do the same procedure. So the quotient will start repeating. If the remainder is same, then the quotient will also be repeating. Okay. So now the answer for 1 by 11 is 0.090909 etc. What type of decimal is this? Non-terminating repeating decimals. Now our third subdivision is 4 1 by 8. 4 1 by 8 can also be written as 4 plus 1 by 8. Now find the decimal value of 1 by 8 and then add with 4 to get the answer for 4 1 by 8. So now divide 1 by 8. 1 is smaller than 8, so put a point, add one 0 with 1. It becomes 10. So 8 ones are 8. Now the remainder is 2. Again add one 0. It becomes 20. So now 8 2s are 16. So the remainder is 4. Add 0 with 4. It becomes 40. So 8 5s are 40. So the remainder is 0. The division ends here. So the answer for 1 by 8 is 0.125. Now add 0.125 with 4. It gives the value as 4.125. This is terminating decimal. Our fourth subdivision is 3 by 13. Now we can start dividing 3 by 13. 3 is smaller than 13. So we will put a point on the quotient and add one 0 with 3. So it becomes 30. 13 2s are 26. Now the remainder is 4. So if we add one 0 with 4, it becomes 40. So 13 3s are 39. Now the remainder is 1. If we add one 0 with 1, it becomes 10. This is also smaller than 13. So we need to add one more 0 and make it as 100. So if we do this, then we have to add one 0 in the quotient. So now 13 7s are 91. The remainder is 9. Add one 0 with 9, then it becomes 90. So 13 6 are 78. Now 90 minus 78 is 12. So add one 0 with 12, it becomes 120. So 13 9s are 117. The remainder is 3. We need to stop doing the division here. We start with 3. Now the remainder is 3. So we will get the same quotient hereafter. So we can stop here and write the answer for 3 by 13 as 0.230769 bar. The quotient which is going to repeat is 230769. So we are putting a bar for those numbers. Okay. So now what type of decimal is this? This is a non-terminating repeating decimals. Our fifth subdivision is 2 by 11. 2 by 11 can be written as 2 into
1 by 11. We already found the answer for 1 by 11 in our second subdivision. You can refer that answer. If you divide 1 by 11, you will get the answer as 0.090909 etc. So 2 by 11 is equal to 2 into 0.090909 etc. So now if you multiply it, you will get the value for 2 by 11 as 0.181818 etc. So now what type of division is this? This is a non-terminating repeating decimal. Our sixth subdivision is 329 by 400. Divide 329 by 400. 329 is smaller than 400. So put a point in the quotient and add one 0 near 9. Okay. So it becomes 3290. So 400 into 8 will give you 3200. The remainder when we subtract is 90. Now add one 0, it becomes 900. So 400 into 2 will give you 800. 900 minus 800 is 100. Now add on 0, it becomes 1000. Again 400 into 2 gives us 800. So subtract 800 from 1000 gives us 200. Add on 0 with it, it becomes 2000. So 400 into 5 is 2000. So 2000 minus 2000 is equal to 0. The division comes to an end. 329 by 400 is equal to 0.8225. Now tell me what type of decimal expansion is this? Yes, it is terminating decimals. Now check the answers you got in question 1. It is either terminating or non-terminating repeating decimals. Why? Because all the questions are in the form of P by Q. Okay? So the numbers which are in the form of P by Q are rational numbers. So the decimal expansion of rational numbers are either terminating decimals or non-terminating decimals. Question number 2. You know that 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857 bar. Can you predict what the decimal expansion of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7 are without actually doing the long division? If so, how? Now we all know that 2 by 7 is equal to 2 into 1 by 7. But the value of 1 by 7 is given in the question itself. So we can substitute the value for 1 by 7. Okay. So 2 by 7 is equal to 2 into 0.142857 bar. Okay. If you multiply this, 2 by 7 is equal to 0.285714 bar. Now we can check what is the answer for 3 by 7. Similarly, 3 by 7 can be written as 3 into 1 by 7. 3 into, again the decimal value you have to substitute for 1 by 7. So 3 into 0.142857 bar. So the value of 3 by 7 is 0.428571 bar. Now we will do the same for 4 by 7. So 4 by 7 is nothing but 4 into 1 by 7. Now the same action, 4 into 0.142857 bar. If you multiply it by 4, you will get 0.571428 bar. Okay. Now do it for 5 by 7 and 6 by 7 in the similar method. So if you multiply the value by 5, your 5 by 7 is 0.714285. Now let us see what is for 6 by 7. 6 by 7 is equal to 6 into 1 by 7. Now 6 into 0.142857 bar. So 6 by 7 is equal to 0.857142 bar. If you find Geometrix Galaxy helpful, consider subscribing to my channel. And please don't hesitate to recommend this channel to your friends. Thanks for watching.